Ilang year,
Look at Ken's little mullet. The mullet. I love Justin's hair. I know.
Stay.
Bakit, Stel?
May naiwan lang.
Sabi ko lang pa sa papa ko, gusto ko po magpahinga muna. And
Ano yung college ka?
yes po, college pa ako. Third year po.
Oh, damn.
bro.
Ano? Kuya, kilala niyo po yung SB19?
Oh, that's funny.
Ano sabi nung taxi driver?
Sabi, yung mga SB19? Ay, oo, kilala ko. Yung mga, mga nagpipiling Koreano na
Oh.
sinto-sinto.
Kasi parang balita ko, crush mo naman si Sarah Geronimo.
Oh, really?
Oh my god, that is so funny. Literally,
Oh my gosh.
them coming out in one day. Literally one day away. That's so funny.
Justin's happy.
naman po talaga namin is to inspire people. Tapos yung, alam niyo po yung matulungan din yung mga artists dito sa Philippines at magbago siguro ng kahit pa paano. Kasi marami pong magagaling eh. Kumbaga, iangat pa natin yung industriya natin.
Pero alam mo
Yeah,
si
P-Pop Rise,
Justin
baby.
kasi-
Hi, YouTubies. It's your boy, King Doki.
And Ambria.
And Chatties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be live reacting to SB19
on Toady Talk.
Tony. Tony.
Tony.
Tony.
I'm congested, you guys.
You jerked that.
Oh no.
Yeah, she jagged it. Girls, welcome in. If this is your first time here, welcome back. Welcome in. If this is your first time here, welcome back. If you've been here before, it is so good to see me. It is so good to see you.
Uh-oh.
And they be screaming. If this is your first time here and you either clicked on this video because you like SB19, you like us, or something in your lot was pulsating and begged you to click on this video, good. Keep listening to that. Keep feeling that feeling down there. You know what I'm saying? And now, let me tell you why you should continue watching our commentary, reaction, analysis. Firstly, I am an ex-vocal coach, musical theater, and I am an ex-musical theater director, vocal coach, and musical... I am an ex-musical theater director, vocal coach, and ex-musical theater professional. She is...
A choreographer, dance teacher, and ex-professional dancer.
Both of us excommunicated from our respective communities because, chat, tell them why. Chat, you guys got to be on this. You guys got to know I'm going to ask you, why were we excommunicated? Oh, and we will be getting a kitty treat. Oh, don't worry, Cloud. We did not... I see it now. I see give a treat. Yeah, I do see that now.
Surely he'll be back.
Allegedly. Well, we see some allegedlys, but we don't necessarily know why. Swung, whooshed, whooped. Yeah, I'd say that's a pretty good summation of what it was, girlas, of what happened. Allegedly, girlies. And you know what I'm saying? Bonnie and Clyde. That's the tea at the end of the day. If you girls also find yourself agreeing with us, congratulations, you are correct. You have the correct opinion. You are smart. You are beautiful. Your bilat is juicy. Your brudat is long. And you are definitely not low tea. Like, you definitely have all the tea in the world. You know what I'm saying, girlas. And if you find yourself disagreeing with us, your shit is dried the fuck up. It is so dusty and dirty down there. But don't worry. There's no cleansing like a Doki YouTube video. There is no vaginal cleansing like a Doki YouTube video.
Summer's Eve. No.
Summer Eve's wish she could. Exactly, girlies. Now, without further ado, girls, please, for the love of all that is holy, click the like button and click subscribe on the YouTube if you guys aren't already. I know you guys have all the power here. I understand I am but a lowly plebeian just begging for your attention and your likes and your comments and all that, but I'll beg. I'm not above begging, girls. Please hit that like. Please hit that subscribe. And now, without further ado, we say bye, chatties. And we say, hi to Tony Swaswala. Okay. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, someone said prepare the tissues. Get the tissues.
They are here.
Wow.
In frame.
Tee.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
This
Oh,
year,
come on,
Like,
bro. Okay, so SB19 opens up about their difficult journey. Ooh, this was okay, Tony. We'll give you a little sub. 4 years ago. Wow. Okay. So this is 4 years ago.
April 20.
Why did you move those?
Because I couldn't see.
Oh.
1999, they became the first Filipino and Southeast Asian act to be nominated in Billboard Music Awards for Top Social Artist along with BTS, Blackpink, Ariana Grande, and 17. At nanalo doon yung BTS. But it marked the first ever appearance of a Filipino artist in the Billboard Music Awards.
Good
Nila,
shit.
SB19. Uy, last year nakausap ko kasi kayo, virtual lang, hindi ba? First time ko kayong ma-meet in person and I wanna personally congratulate you. Dahil from last year, parang ang laki na nang nabago. Ang laki na nang nangyari sa SB19, worldwide recognition. Parang sobrang, laking blessing.
Yes po, super po. Ang daming opportunities na nagbukas. Tapos ayun, mas parang feeling po namin nagkaroon talaga siya ng parang, syempre po yung ginagawa namin all throughout the years, parang nagbunga rin po talaga.
Nagbunga kasi nung parang last year, nung nag-usap tayong 5 online, parang medyo, di ba, there was a time na parang nagko-contemplate kayo kung itutuloy niyo pa ba yung career niyo as a group dahil parang feeling niyo for a long time walang nangyayari.
Right.
Di ba?
Ano nga po ngayon po, talagang thankful kami kasi po kahit na...
Look at Justin with his hair and the sideburns and everything.
How long ago was this?
4 years, remember?
Oh, that's right. Gosh, it looks so
Dude,
young.
Ken looks like a baby. Can you not see him?
Oh my gosh. he
Look
does.
at his little face. Oh my
Hirap
God.
po yung sa industry natin, ganyan po. Pero patuloy
It's
pa
what
rin po
era?
yung
Okay.
career namin. At least po parang meron pa rin po kaming ginagawa kahit po nasa pandemic tayo. And yun nga po, yung before na parang gusto namin na sumuko, parang yung naging worth it po yung paghihintay namin.
Nag-start ang SB19 2018, hindi ba?
Apo.
But before kayo i-launch, ilang year,
Look at
19,
Ken's
2018,
little
hindi ba?
mullet.
Apo.
The mullet. I love Justin's hair. I know. It's so cute.
Also, Pablo with the little fucking braids.
Oh my God. They all look so cute. The mullet's gotta go, Ken, but I'm glad that you were playing. They all look so cute. Again, like,
Lesbian.
I love when Pablo looks like a lesbian. Like, I literally, like, love it so much more than anything.
But before kayo i-launch, ilang years kayo na nag-training ng workshop, singing?
Medyo baka po, paulit-ulit din po yung ginagawa namin. Minsan parang na-lost track na po kami sa oras talaga. Kasi parang araw-araw training po kami. Kahit Saturday, minsan Sunday, nagde-training po kami. Tapos kami lagi magkakasama. So parang...
What?
It's time.
Oh, guys, everybody say bye to Artemis.
Oh, what's our time? Our time check.
10 minutes. 10 and a half
Wow.
minutes.
Longer than last time, Bo.
10 minutes. Yeah, you lasted 4 more minutes, brother. And then I'll sit there and cry at the door like he hasn't been a rat this entire time. Like, brother, you know.
Your actions caused this.
Your direct actions. He said, well, my mom and dad weren't paying any attention to me, so
I
I
must
gotta
create
do
chaos.
what I know will get their attention. Do stuff I'm not supposed to do. Okay.
Ituloy lang na parang di namin alam kung anong araw na, gano'n.
Kasi yung time na yun, parang sabi nyo, di ba, dapat madidisband na kayo.
Opo.
May mga magbaback out na, pero isa lang ang nagstay.
Dumating sa point na talagang wala nang nangyayari, sobrang tagal na natin nagte-training. So napag-decidean po, before po kami mag-debut, marami pa kaming kasama noon po eh. Tapos,
Nalagas na lang.
opo, parang unti-unting umaalis, tapos napag-decided nga po nung one point na yon na nag-alisan lahat, pero si Stel nag-decide po siyang magstay.
Bakit, Stel?
May naiwan lang.
He loves nothing behind. I'm dead.
Yun talaga, parang nung nasa training ako, nakafocus po talaga ako doon na parang ito yung gusto kong gawin sa buhay ko. Ito yung gusto kong ma-achieve. Tapos sobrang happy ko kasi sobrang dami kong kasama. Mix pa po kami na may girls pa kami before. Kaya sobrang saya ko every time na mag-training. Though kahit alam ko po na walang nangyayari, pero yung ginagawa po namin sama-sama, sobrang na-enjoy ko po yun, working with them together.
What is that about? There were girls in the group. Like what is?
Do you
We
think that
we really
was
need to get into
Kaya?
like the what?
Do we think that was Kaya?
Huh?
Like they were training together? They were
But-
co-ed no, because they helped train them, right? They were just under the same company.
Were called Nara before. Okay, well, we'll have to do a deep dive on like pre-SB19.
Yeah, pre-debut stuff.
Yeah, because we've only watched the casual chat, which we haven't seen episode
newest
7 yet,
episode.
the newest episode. So that needs to be on the list as well.
Kaya nyo gusto mag-quit nung time na yun kasi di ba parang it was 3-4 years of just training and you gave up so much.
Yes
Di ba
po.
wala kayong sweldo noon, you gave up your careers. Ilan sa inyo yung call center agents?
Ako po.
Ako po nag-work din pero real estate po yung sa akin. Data
Di ba?
analyst po.
You gave up your real jobs for a dream na hindi kayo sigurado nung time na yun. So,
Yeah, I hated that she said your real jobs. Like, I mean, I think she could have picked a better word there, but
Probably, yeah.
real jobs is kind of crazy, Tony. But
your
yeah,
real jobs.
but I think she's just more making an emphasis on how they gave up
There were like career paths. that
their,
they were
yeah,
on
the
that
right,
they-
exactly, right.
For a dream na hindi kayo sigurado nung time na yun. So, parang in reality, kapag reality check, ano bang pupuntahan ng buhay
Yes
ko
po.
dito?
Kasi-
Saka syempre yung family nyo siguro,
Opo,
di ba?
opo.
Nagtataka, huy, ilang taon ka na dyan, parang hindi ka naman kumikita, di ba?
Opo. Dapat po kasi talaga may backup plan kapag ganun eh. Lalong-lalo na po, ang hirap po talaga ng buhay. Na parang 3 taon na nga po kami nagtitraining tapos wala pa rin nangyayari. Mapapa-reality check ka talaga na parang, oh, anong tama pa ba itong ginagawa ko? Tapos lahat ng tao sa paligid mo sinasabi, tigil mo na yan, grabe, 3 taon ka na, wala ka namang nakukuha,
Right.
wala ka naman napapala. Tapos may isip mo, mapasok talaga sa isip mo,
Eh,
tama
well.
pa ba itong ginagawa ko? Tigil ko na kaya ito.
Hindi naman po kasi lahat ng kumbaga tao pinalad din sa buhay. Parang katulad ko po na parang
Like me. Not everyone's born blessed, like me. Like, I was not, he meant like not born blessed, right? Yeah.
nagtitraining po ako pero honestly wala akong makain sa araw-araw. Nangihingi ako ng baon kay Paolo, ganun. Naghihingi po parang everyday pag wala siyang, pag ko hindi siya nakapagbaon, hindi rin ako kakain, parang ganun. Parang ganun yung buhay ko dati.
Wow.
Then yung nag-quit
Jeez.
po kami na si Stel nagstay, parang paglabas ko po ng building, sabi ko, parang yung decisions ko ba tama, gano'n. Kasi talagang medyo nabagabag po ako, parang gusto ko agad bumalik kasi nga nagstay si Stel. Sabi niya, parang kasi kung naniniwala siya, ba't di ako maniwala? Parang gano'n. Bumalik po ako at itong career na to or itong ginagawa ko na to, sabi ko, marami na rin po ako na-invest at parang gusto kong bigyan ng chance. Kasi parang yun nga po, susukuan mo kung di mo bigyan ng chance.
Right.
Hindi, parang, hindi mo mapatunayan sa sarili mo na na kaya mo ganun Kumbaga yung mga bagay na itatry mo, isagarin mo na, kumbaga
Bigay mo na
bigay
lahat.
mo na lahat.
Mhm.
O, parang wala kang pagsisisihan.
Habang bata pa po, habang kaya pa ng, alam niyo po yun, kaya mo pa. Kasi in the future, what if, yun nga, mapunta ka kung saan, gano'n, wala ka ng chance gawin yung passion mo. Yun po yung mahirap.
Paano pumasok pala si Ken sa grupo?
That time po, nag-stop po ako sa study kasi po, ewan ko po ano pumasok sa isip ko. Sabi ko lang pa sa papa ko, gusto ko po magpahinga muna. And,
Ano yung college ka?
yes po, college pa ako, third year po.
Oh,
Blame
damn.
you, bro.
I did almost quit after my second year of college. I did drop out of college. I did go back to college, though, and I did finish my degree. But yeah, I did drop out of college.
Tapos,
But I dropped out of college, and then I worked at Disney World, and then I had like a month left of summer, and I was like, you know what, let me go back.
ito si Josh.
Uy, architecture student ka, di ba?
Yes po. Supposedly, mag-aaral na pa ako kasi that was, ano ata yun? March or April?
March.
So, magpapasok ka na rin po. Tapos bigla akong sinat na ito na ganito daw. Sobrang na-intriga ako sa, ayun nga, may gagawin daw
Bad
grupo, ganito.
influence
Syempre ako, gusto ko din po kasi dati po
Na-intriga ka
sumasayaw.
Ah,
Sumasayaw po ako, nagkakalaban po kami sa competition dati ni Josh, kami nila Stel.
Tsaka ako po.
And si Pablo din, kumakanta siya sa competition din. So ayun, yung sinabihan ko lang po talaga, yung lola ko lang po yung nakakaalam. Tapos wala ding pera, wala din akong pera doon. Sabi ko, paano ba to? So sabi ko sa kanya, utang ka muna kaya So, at until ano talaga, wala talagang pera. So si Josh yung sumagot muna ng ng plane ticket.
oh, Jeff, thank you so much for the Prime sub. Thank you, Jeff. I dropped out as well. Did you go back? Thank you so much, Jeff.
Makapunta dito and ayun po, fortunately natanggap talaga ako. And sobrang grabe yung kaba ko kasi anong mangyayari sa akin, mag-work na lang ba ako after nito? Kasi hindi sure eh.
Sorry, girls.
Parang iniwan mo yung buhay mo sa Cagayan,
Opo,
di ba?
so,
Cagayan, di ba?
opo, talaga. Iniwan ko talaga. And sabi ko,
Magkano dala mong
inisip
pera
ko,
nun?
Ha?
Magkano dala mong pera nun?
1.5 ata. Yung 1.5
Pumunta ka Manila.
Naligaw pa po siya.
Naligaw pa po ako.
Yung 500 doon, binayad niya po sa taxi na sobrang lapit lang ng biyahe.
Oh my
Naloko
God.
ka pa sa taxi.
Aloko pa po ako
Oh
sa taxi.
my
Ikot-ikot pa ako. Tapos
God.
nandun lang pala ako. Sabi ko, dito lang ako nun na. Tapos biglang bakit inikot-ikot pa ako sa
That's
malayo. Tapos dumating yung 500
crazy.
pamasahe ko. Tapos
Naloko ka.
magkano lang pera ko nun? Wala na.
I love his face. I love how he recounts the story though.
Funny story pa kasi sa Cagayan ba yung flight niya? Pero sa ibang lugar siya nagpunta.
Sa
Zamboanga, bumiyahe pa na sa
8
Zamboanga.
hours.
Bakit ka naman 8 hours ka
Hindi
pumunta
kasi
Manila?
sabi niya po sa akin, sabi ko, kinanong ko siya, Cagayan ka, di ba? Oo, pre. Okay, sige. Binuko na po siya ng Cagayan to Manila. Tapos sa Zamboanga pala siya.
Nasa Lola po ako. Nasa Lola. So pumunta pa po akong Cagayan para dumag-flight. 8 hours na yung bus trip ko nung grabe, sobrang layo.
Oh my
Pero
God.
sulit naman, di ba?
Yes po, sulit naman po.
Balikan natin yung taxi story. Kasi kinuwento nyo sa akin to eh. Ang ganda ng story na yun na sino yung nakasakay sa taxi tapos nag-play yung music ng SB19. Di ba?
Ako, kasi po ganun ako eh. Pag ano po, mahilig po ako parang check
Mag-trip-trip.
kuya, kilala niyo po yung SB19.
Oh, that's funny.
Ano sabi nung taxi driver?
Sabi, natawa ako, sabi nung taxi driver, yung mga SB19, oo, kilala ko, yung mga mga nagpipiling Koreano na sinto-sinto.
Oh no.
Oo po, yung mga nagpipiling Koreano. Ano nga yan, nakakabuisit panoorin eh.
Where is that taxi driver now? I wonder. Because it's you know what? It's stuff like that, right? It's stuff, little moments. That's what you guys don't understand. Like little moments like that. Like, what if he was the best taxi driver that they ever had, and they remembered that guy, and then he made them their like personal driver for, you know what I'm saying? It's like just stuff like that you never know can have an impact on your life that does later on.
Sabi ko, pero hindi alam ng taxi driver.
Get fucked, taxi driver, get fucked.
Wala. Pero feeling ko po nung bago kami bumabay, parang nakakatunog na siya. Kasi po, biglang nagbago yung kwento niya eh. Pero idol niya ng anak ko.
Ako yung anak niya, fan daw.
Fan daw po yung anak niya. Kaya nga, parang...
Bumawi na lang.
Tapos alam niya po yung mga music namin.
Wala naman may sinasabi na di ba?
Pinlay niya po yung music namin. Sabi niya, SB19, sige, pakinggan natin. Tapos inabot niya, Sep, sige, i-search niya yung kanta ng SB19, inabot sa amin. Tapos namin yung isa namin performance na live. Tapos pinlay niya. Pinlay niya yung alam.
Fuck, Alam, we haven't heard that one yet.
Bigla niya binuksan yung ilaw, tapos natatanon niya yung mukha namin, tapos kami sa likod.
Ayaw na rin po namin na parang ma-recognize niya kami. Kasi parang baka
mapahiya siya dun sa sinabi niya. Pero ang dami niyong nakuhang ganung salita nung nagsisimula kayo.
Sobra. Grabe, sobra.
See, that's nice. See, like I don't see, like now it's like, okay, maybe is that too nice, right? Like are you guys being too nice now? Like let him feel a little bit bad, right?
I just think that he just genuinely just kind of wanted to feel out how the general public was feeling about them.
Right.
And, like, didn't want him to feel like guilty because like he found out it was them. He like Pablo just like genuinely wanted to know. Like,
yeah, no, I got that for sure. Obviously, like the point of it was never to like rabbit hole him and like catch him in a lie, right? But if he's gonna say some shit, talk your shit, bro. If you're gonna talk some shit, like stand on it. I talk my shit, I stand on it, right? Like don't talk your shit and then you know what I mean.
In unison. Sobra. Ibig sabihin nun, grabe talaga. Ano yung pinakamasakit na discouragement na nakuha nyo mula sa mga haters? Na nag-motivate naman sa inyo, kaya kayo nandito pa rin.
Siguro po, pinakaano po siguro yung walang mararating. Tapos, hindi naman po siguro like nakaka-discourage. Parang nakakainis. Kasi wala naman kaming ginagawang masama sa kanila eh. Ginagawa lang po yung ano yung gusto namin. Tapos sasabihin na walang mararating. And parang gaya-gaya.
Look at
Oh my
them!
gosh,
Oh my god!
babies.
Why does Pablo look like a? He looks like a Furby or something. You know what I'm saying? Like he looks like his eyes. He
His
looks like a
eyes,
doll.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Kaya na ganito.
Sa amin, hindi na siya nagiging big deal so far, lalo na ngayon. Kasi mas maraming love na yung natatanggap namin. Lalo na from our fans. Tsaka yung mga casual people din eh. Nakikita namin na appreciate kami na parang tables have turned, gano'n. Noong una nga po, parang yung mga nasa headline nun, Filipino-Korean na SB19. Pero nung nag-billboard po kami, proud to be Filipino.
Ganun na, may proud na.
Right.
Ikaw kalimutan mo sana kasi yung yung tungkol sa yung mga bad comments. Parang nagulat lang po ako, meron pong comment na one time, sobrang violent po na parang nakakabwisit yung dilaw yung buhok, gusto niya daw pong barilin.
The yellow-headed. I was like, yeah, wait, what is that? And then I'm not laughing at the comment. I'm laughing at the picture.
Jeez.
Oh my god, wait, what the fuck? I just saw what he said.
Po na parang nakakabwisit yung dilaw yung buhok, gusto niya daw pong barilin. Gusto daw po niyang barilin ako.
Okay, but they're all laughing about it. Like, why are they laughing? I mean, because they're probably think it's funny, but that's crazy.
Sa isang video.
Okay naman ito.
Dumating na sa violence.
Ganun
violence
nila
na
ka-hate
gusto.
yun.
Like, look at all their face. Look at all the smiles on their faces.
Because they low-key were like, yeah, you were annoying as fuck, bro.
Kung mga ganun kami na parang gusto ko patayin sa inis, parang
Yeah, that's
Nakakainis
crazy.
daw kami,
Nakakainis
ganun.
daw po.
Pero parang, pag minsan alam nyo, isipin nyo yung mga haters, yung mga sinasabi nila sa inyo, hindi naman tungkol sa inyo yun. It's a projection of how they feel and what they feel inside. They don't really hate you.
Right.
They just really hate themselves. Kayo yung
I
insecurity
see.
nila. Tsaka yung hate nila sa mundo, napoproject nila sa inyo.
True.
Kasi nandiyan kayo, pinupursue
Very
yung dreams
true.
nyo, you're
Yeah.
making a difference, hindi ba? You're doing something in your lives. Sa dami ng mga hate na na-receive nyo, nakarating kayo sa Billboard Music Awards. Grabe yun. Anong feeling nung
Oh my god, look at Stel. I mean, you're never going to be able to see him, but look at Stel down here.
Billboard Music Awards? Grabe yun.
Look at how
I love
iconic.
these
Nalaman
fits.
Oh my god, the
Kayo
fits
ang
are
first
so
eh.
good.
Billboard Music Awards. First yun, ever.
Parang di po to eh. Actually po si Josh talaga, naiyak talaga siya nung time na yun eh. Kasi nag-stream
Oh.
nung time na yun. Kwento mo, Josh.
Nag-stream ka, tapos salita mo.
Mayroon po kasi parang gaming stream kami. Lalaro po kasi yung show. Tapos ayun nga po, announcement na. Then sinabay ko na po, sabi ko, sige, panoorin na nga natin.
Oh, I remember seeing that video.
Then ayun nga po, in-announce na nominated kami. So para sa akin po talagang biggest achievement na po kasi namin yun eh. Tsaka yun nga po, naisip ko
Yun,
yung
Counter Girls.
possibilities na lahat ng ginagawa namin. Kasi ang goal naman po talaga namin is to inspire people. Tapos yung, alam niyo po yung matulungan din yung mga artists dito sa Philippines at magbago siguro ng kahit pa paano. Kasi marami pong magagaling eh. Kumbaga, iangat pa natin yung industriya natin.
Pero alam mo
Yeah,
si
P-pop prize,
Justin
baby.
Pusey is an honor student. Ang
talaga
Salazar.
po?
Talagang St. Benilde.
Hindi ako makapaniwala.
Honor student sa multimedia arts, hindi ba?
Apo. Nung Germany.
Yabang.
Oh, yes, grabe. From honor student to performer.
Siguro po hindi rin yung achievement po na yon is more of like, hindi naman sa parang matalino, more of parang ginawan ko po talaga ng paraan. Parang ginawa ko kung ano yung kailangan kong gawin. Naging masipag lang po siguro in a sense. Ayun po.
Oo, kasi di ba, isipin mo, honor student ka. Dapat after mo makagraduate, magpupursue ka ng career dun sa natapos mo.
Nag-breakdown yan, first time ko nakita
Ba't ka nag-breakdown?
Hindi po, kasi po, yun nga po, parang ang tagal na rin na walang nangyayari sa amin. Tapos po, kasi pinagsabay ko po yung studies ko and yung pag-aaral ko during that time. Tapos, after graduation, parang dapat ang pag-uusap namin ng parents ko talaga is magsa-stop na ako sa training.
Oh, shit.
Mag-work na po ako after graduation. Parang hobby ko lang talaga yung ginawa kong training.
Right.
Pero since nga po kasama ko sila noon, parang ang dami na namin pinagdaanan, na naniniwala sila dun sa pupuntahan namin, nagpatuloy po ako. Sabi ko, pwede na siguro magpahinga muna ako after graduation, parang ganyan. Tapos hanggang sa nag-debut po kami, same year nung pagka-graduate ko po, nag-debut kami. Pero after that, wala pa rin pong nangyayari.
Hindi kayo napanghinaan ng loob.
sobra.
Yeah, I was about to say, you gotta be, right? Especially after, like, you almost fully disband, and then you come back together, and then you debut, and it doesn't do as well as you think it's going to.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Literally, look at them.
So cute.
Like, okay.
Tingnan muna ako after graduation.
Right.
Tapos hanggang sa nag-debut po kami same year nung pagka-graduate ko.
Oh my god, look at them. And we're missing Josh, right? Yeah.
Nag-debut kami, pero after that, wala pa rin pong nangyayari.
Hindi kayo napanghinaan ng loob.
So, sobra po. Yun po yung...
Yun yung gusto mo na mag-quit.
Opo. Parang after nun, marami po akong ginagawa. Actually, nagtitingin na po ako ng ibang audition sa ibang Tapos parang iniisip ko po, kanino ako saan ako magtatrabaho. Naghahanap na rin po ako ng mga pwede kong applyan na work.
Pero bakit ka nag-stay sa SB19?
Yun nga po, parang lahat na pag-usapan namin na last na. Magre-release tayo ng last song. Pag hindi talaga nag-work, wala pa rin nangyari, mag-stop na tayo.
Shit.
Ano yung nirelease nyo?
I didn't...
Go Up po. Yun po yung nirelease namin yung Go Up.
Noong 20...
That's crazy.
So, nung time...
Nag-viral.
Opo, ayun na po.
Pero hindi ba?
That's it's also just crazy because, like, I feel like there are so many stories of people and groups and anyone that's like, okay, this is like the last ditch effort, and then if nothing happens, then it's it, and then it happens. You know what I mean? Like,
100%.
That's crazy.
Agad.
Pagka-release, ano nangyari?
Pagka-release po, di ba, may music video po kami, ganyan. Tapos, since last na po yun, binigay na namin lahat. Nag-practice kami, yung sayaw po namin, pinractice namin 1,000 times. May si Stel po.
Pero tulong-tulong po lahat.
Opo. Tapos ang dami namin ginawa. Tapos pagka-release po ng music video, ganun din. Parang wala rin po nangyari talaga.
Oh,
Saan
shit.
siya nag-pick up?
Nung nag-release po kami ng dance practice video.
Yeah. It's so good.
Nung nag-release po kami ng dance practice video na.
Oh, surely we need to watch this dance practice video again.
Parang overnight po, nagulat na lang din kami, na-recognize yung group namin ng maraming tao.
Meron pong parang account sa Twitter, parang rin po siya, fan account siya na ni-repost niya sa Twitter yung video namin na parang ina-explain niya, there's this Filipino na group, tingnan niyo yung performance nila, ang galing nung sumayaw, parang ganyan po. Tapos sobrang dami pong naka-appreciate sa Twitter.
Right.
Yung point na talagang nag-viral kami na
That's
parang
crazy.
pagkagising na pagtingin namin ng mga social media accounts namin, parang dumadami na yung notifications, ang dami pong nakaka-appreciate. Parang pati yung mga friends namin, uy, nakita ko yung video nyo, ang galing nyo. Na parang sobrang overwhelming po na yun na yung point na hindi kami makapaniwala na until now, pag naaalala ko, sobrang nakakataas po ng balay.
Opo. Sino nagsimula na ng 18? Yung name ng fan group nyo na yan?
Nag-brainstorming kami na parang kami SB19 and hindi tayo aabot sa 19 pag wala yung 18. Parang hindi natin pwedeng skipan.
18.
Pero si Pablo po ang nakaisip na. Parang,
Of course he did.
Bigay bilang sabi niya 18. Tapos,
Tsaka parang sariling atin.
ayun po, kasi parang lahat po ng achievements namin, hindi lang siya sa amin, kundi para sa ating lahat.
My God, that scared me. He tapped his mic. His mic's under his lapel there.
Para sa amin. At the same time, pressured kami kasi nga parang mas
I
marami tumingin sa amin.
bet.
So, mas kailangan, galingan pa namin.
Diba sabi nila, to whom much is given, much is required.
With great power comes great responsibility. You
Right.
understand what I'm saying?
Malaki ang
100%.
expectation sa inyo. Paano nyo ina-handle yung pressure? Di ba nag-huddle kayo, sabi niyo dati sa akin? Ginagawa niyo pa yun?
Dati po, matindi po yung huddle namin kasi po, meron pong kaming practice na parang every day, kailangan for 10 minutes, maghahawak-hawak kaming kamay. As in, talagang like brothers, hawak kamay.
Oh,
Tapos,
damn.
yun lang po, uusap, parang
Problems.
kung
yung
anong
status,
problema sa
ganyan,
isa-isa,
anong dapat.
May issue ka ba sa ibang members?
That's
or something na
crazy.
hindi nagugustuhan sa mga nangyayari, pwede niyong open, parang sobrang yun yung free time namin para ilabas lahat ng mga nararamdaman namin.
Parang ikaw yung laging sinasabi nilang magkamukha tayo.
Oo nga ba?
Are you fucking kidding me? What? What the fuck? Please.
Parang hindi ba may mga nagtatag sa akin? Gumawa ko daw si Josh. Kung lalaki ako, ikaw ang version ko.
Lagi
Meron
mo
mo kasi
sinasabi.
sa music video namin sa
Oo,
Go
yung
Up na
nakaganon
parang
mo ako.
ganun siya.
Nakamukha ko siya, no?
Opo. Tapos, marami po instances na nangyayari na kamukha ko daw po kayo. Parang gano'n.
Kaya
Kung
nga.
mo na sa screenshot nila, gano'n.
Buti na lang, ang gwapo mo. May balita ko, may mga celebrity crush kayo.
Oh! See, I'm excited.
Ano yung mga hinahangaan yung Filipino celebrity?
Oh, Filipino celebrities. Only Filipino celebrities. Okay. This was 4 years ago.
Yung nagagandahan kayo. Sige.
Ikaw muna, Stel.
Ayaw ka sabihin.
Bakit si Stel? Sige, si Stel.
Ayaw ka sabihin.
Stel muna.
Sino?
Ikaw po.
Huwag ka naman kaharap mo lang ako. Makakasar ka naman.
Dati po talaga. Sobrang ano po talaga, nung bata po kasi, mahilig po talaga ako sa movies. Tapos, pag napapanood ko po kayo, sobrang na-amaze po ako pagka every time na nakikita ko po kayo sa screen. Tapos, mga movies nyo po na napapanood ko, sobrang natutuwa lang po ako kasi sobrang natural nyo po sa screen. Tapos sobrang favorite ko po yung, Ma, sorry ma, mga ganun. Character nyo po, kung paano po kayo sa kapatid nyo, kay Miss Alex, sa family nyo po, sobrang close nyo kay Tita Pinty. Wow, baka Tita Pinty, kala mo naman close. Wala lang po, sobrang family-oriented.
Yun ba yung hinahanap mo sa isang babae?
Opo.
Wala, may asawa.
Happy ako kay Miss Tony. Grabe naman
Pero
to.
yung mga hinahanap mo sa isang babae, ganun, family-oriented.
Yes po.
Ano pa?
Maalaga talaga na
Maalaga.
sobra. And very, to?
Very good.
Hindi naman, yung maintindihin.
Understanding. Lalo na sa trabaho mo.
Opo.
Mm-mm. Ikaw naman.
Hinahanap ko
Pablo.
sa babae.
Oh, ano bang hinahanap mo sa isang babae? Paano naman malaman ng mga 18?
Actually, parang kayo rin po eh. Kasi po, mahilig.
Gaya naman
Ano po ako parang sobrang na-amaze ako and sobrang na-attract ako pag nakikita ko na very passionate sa ginagawa yung isang babae.
Kaninong Pinay celebrity ka nagagandahan pag pinapanood mo?
Kayo po, si Miss Bea.
Si Ken, balita ko, crush mo naman si Anne.
Yes po.
Sina?
Ann Curtis.
Ann Curtis.
Ano?
So ikaw naman,
She's
ano
beautiful.
yung mga tipo mo sa babae? Yung naa-attract ka?
Siguro po yung tawag dito, yung free, yung pag pinapanood ko free lang siya, like pag tumawa walang halong filter, like gusto ko lang po yung straightforward na babae.
CT, I mean, Ken he just knows. He just
Sounds like you're
knows.
his type.
He wants a real ass bitch. Kenny, I'm taken.
Si Justin.
Actually, di ko alam kung tama, pero parang Maria Clara na...
Conservative.
Opo.
Kasi parang balita ko, crush mo naman si Sarah Geronimo.
Oh, really?
Oh my god, that is so funny. Literally,
Oh my gosh.
them coming out in one day. Literally one day away. That's so funny.
Justin's
Naman,
happy.
crush mo.
Si
Look at him all
Michelle
red.
San Pedro din po kasi parang crush ko rin po siya. Inisip ko po kasi na parang nung going bulilit, di ba, nung time po na yon.
Yun ang ira mo.
Hindi,
Gawin
parang
bulilit.
same
Okay.
age po na
So,
parang,
what do they mean? I think it's like a translation or like maybe like a cultural thing I'm not understanding. Like, when they mean conservative, is it like
Don't know.
maybe you guys can explain in the comments, like it like conservative in they're not like opposite of Ken's kind of type, you know, more reserved or like more like I don't know how I want to say it.
You guys just let us know. You tell us in the comments.
Same age kayo ni Charlene?
parang older po ata ako ng 1 year.
Si Josh,
Ang importante po sa akin yung mindset talaga na understanding. Alam niya kumbaga pag may sinabi ako, hindi siya yung parang ma-judge agad ng mga tao or parang iintindihin
may
niya.
open mind.
Opo.
So lahat single.
Unfortunately, ganun.
Unfortunately. May kapalit lahat ng success eh.
Opo.
'Di ba? Yung love life medyo on the side.
Allegedly, all of course.
Kasi ang dami na namin na-invest dito eh. Ano muna kami, parang hanggat siguro hindi pa namin na-achieve yung mga kailangan namin i-achieve, pwede naman siguro makapag-antay pa.
Ano ba yung mga gusto nyo pang ma-achieve?
We want din makatulong ng malaki for our country. Kasi po, pag napakilala namin yung Filipino music all over the world, parang mas magiging interested yung mga foreigners sa country natin. Mapapakita natin sa
Hi, we're the foreigners, Grilla. Hey, Grilla.
Here we are.
kung meron tayo.
Yung resources natin at yung culture natin. Maganda.
So they did
maganda.
it. They got the foreigners in. Now they can date.
Yeah, right? Yeah, they did it.
Tama po talaga eh. Siguro, may mga times na tulad
Cute.
po, medyo marami lang yung negative stuff na nakikita natin. Masyadong pag tumingin ka sa social media, yung iba nga po nagde-detoxify, di ba? Para wag lang ma-stress, kumbaga ganun. Siguro dapat baguhin lang din natin, kumbaga, isa tayo sa mga tumulong para magbago. Kumbaga, hindi lang naman sa ibang tao. Kung nagsisimula rin sa sarili natin, at syempre, sa mga nakikita natin.
Ano yung gusto nyong maramdaman ng mga fans nyo? Kapag napapakinggan nila. at napapanood
I
nila
like
yung
this
ganun.
question. I love
Kaya
this
rin po
question.
nila.
Oh.
Madalas po na nagbabasa po kami ng mga, nagsishare po sila sa mga Twitter, ganyan, ng mga stories nila, na ganito kami, ganyan. Parang pag nababasa po namin yung story nila, parang nakikita po namin yung kami, nung dati kami nangangarap pa lang po, na parang lahat po.
Oh my God! Look at them! Oh my
my
God!
Why has Josh not aged?
Yeah, Josh just doesn't. We already knew Josh doesn't age. We already knew.
Hardships na pinagdaanan namin, yung mga natutulog kami sa sahig, hindi wala kami makain, tapos nag-aantay kami na parang nangungutang para makakaroon ng pumasahe papunta.
Truly a vampire.
Lahat yun parang parang hinanda
John
ka
Connor.
sa para pagdating mo dun sa point na at yung tagumpay nandyan ka na. Parang masabi mo na, oy, very sweet nito. Parang ano mo talaga, ita-treasure mo talaga eh.
Right.
Tapos, habang nandiyan sila, magpapatuloy po kami sa ginagawa namin. Kasi po, yun sinasabi nila parang ini-inspire namin sila. So, sila naman yung inspiration namin para magpatuloy. Yun yun. Pag 18 po yung pinag-uusapan, medyo soft. Talaga eh, part po talaga na parang,
Oh my God!
dati po,
Look at them!
Oh my
Look at them!
gosh.
They're so baby!
Ang 7 nanonood po sa amin pag nagpo-perform kami. Parang same level lang. Nagpo-perform po kami kasi parang busking type dati. Na parang,
Right.
Saan kayo nagpe-perform dati?
Saan
Talaga? Ano yung pinaka-weird na na-performan nyo?
Gilid ng mall.
Gilid ng
ganun.
mall.
Parang,
Beside them
minsan,
all.
May mga times po talaga na parang, yun nga, nahihiya kami. Minsan yung mga kakilala namin pumupunta. Yung mga kaibigan na lang namin sumusuporta sa amin.
Talaga minsan 20 lang ang nanonood sa inyo.
Less than
Less
po.
than po. Parang dati po makikilala namin kung sino yung pumunta. Ito si ano. Ayan po.
Kilala nyo lang.
Kilala namin fans
Sa ulo
namin
po
kasi
namin.
sobrang konti lang po eh.
Pero yung
Oh my
performance na
gosh.
binibigay nyo nun, all out na.
Syempre po.
kailangan.
Parang
Always
50,000 yung
all.
nanonood.
Tuwa na po kami na merong, kanwari more than 10, marami na po sa amin
Opo,
dati
ay.
yung pagkaganon.
Hindi nga.
Masaya po kami nun.
pag meron, basta po pag may nanonood sa amin at nakikita po namin na nag-enjoy sila, talagang ginaganaan po kami. Kasi kahit pito, sumisigaw, gano'n.
It reminded me, I just found a picture of Doki when he first started streaming. And I had like taken the picture like over his shoulder while he was streaming, like off camera. I didn't used to be on stream a lot, guys.
Right, no, she really didn't.
So I was back at the Tornado house, like the old house.
Mhm.
And I'm pretty sure I took the picture because it was like the most viewers you had ever had, and it was like exciting. But I just found the picture randomly, and it was 7.
Yeah.
Like we were so excited because like he had 7 viewers that were like hanging out. Like we would get people who would come in and just like troll or whatever,
Right,
like, you know, a
right.
raid, and people would leave or whatever. So
Yeah.
this part just reminded me of you and that grind, and yeah, just being excited to have like, you know, even a small group of people that you're like, oh, they're here, like.
It is, and it's funny because like I know we've already discussed this. Like obviously we've talked about this a lot because we've seen a lot of we've reacted to a lot of videos and we've posted a lot about on our channels and our socials about like just all of the similarities and all of the synchronicities between, you know, SB19's story and like our story and all of that stuff. And yeah, I mean it's just true. It is there. You have this. Because, I mean, they said it the best. They're talking about, like, we're all dreamers. Like, that's what you are at the end of the day, right? Before the dream is achieved, you are dreaming. Yeah, so, like, there was a point where I was like, and just like how they're saying, like, I'm still happy. Trust me, girls, there are still streams where I'm only streaming to 7 people. Those streams still happen, and it's when I'm playing video games, you fake ass whores. No, but then it meant something so much back then, and it still means, it's just different, but it still means so much now too. And
Yeah.
I fully agree. It's just having people to hype you up and support you. It's just like, it's the craziest feeling, and kind of exactly what Pablo's talking about, like just having someone's hype and someone's support and someone, in their case, cheering and all of that. Like, it gives you what you need to keep doing the thing that you're doing, right?
Yeah.
It's this fuel that just like you just can't even explain it. I love you guys. I love you guys.
Parang maano ka talaga, ma-uplift
True.
ka talaga na parang, oy, tama tong ginagawa.
Yeah, 100%.
Events po kami for matatanda. Kasi since Korean company nga po kami, syempre po nilalagay nila kami kung saan na events na lang dati. Dati meron para silang event na parang
Oh, cute.
for grandparents day ata yun. Tapos kami yung usual na nagpa-perform doon pagka kailangan nila. Syempre po, since events company rin kasi yung company namin. Saan pa ba sila kukuha? Hindi kami na yung kukunin nila. So yun po doon kami nag-perform.
Sa mga matatanda.
Opo.
Ano
Korean
reaction ng mga matatanda?
Ganun. Kasi,
All of them doing it the exact same way.
Nakakanta nyo, hindi
Korean naman po. Kailangan ay mag-Korean.
Oh, so,
Inaral
ganun
doon
naman nila.
Tapos naman po, syempre, kailangan may showmanship ka. Sasayaw mo yung matanda. Sasayawan mo pang gano'n.
So, dati ganun kayo.
Oh my God.
That's so funny.
Marami po kami event natin na Chinese New Year events. Mga ganun. Tapos sa mga hotel po, kailangan namin mag-aral ng 6 Chinese
my
songs.
God.
Oh my gosh.
Mga 8, mga ganun po kadami in 1 week. Dapat ma-memorize
Maaral, no?
po namin.
Galing.
No,
Talagang
umiiyak
nag-break
kami.
down.
Nag-breakdown po kami.
Kasi-
We cried for that.
Hindi kaya. Kasi syempre, ibang language
Yeah.
po yun eh.
Tas wala pong
Filipino
nagtuturo
first
sa amin.
language na.
I remember when I had to memorize the entire 22-page script for the ride that I was working at Disney World in essentially 2.5 days. Yeah, I cried that first
You
night.
literally FaceTime me sobbing like, I can't do this.
I cried. I cried myself to sleep that night as well. Yeah, that was rough. I did it though.
Sa YouTube lang
They
po
did it
namin
too.
paano siya, bigkas, ganun.
Syempre
Tas-
po,
Oh my
hindi
gosh,
pa- hindi
that's
pa masabi kung
crazy.
ibang word, di ba po?
Tapos pagdating naman po dun sa event, nakaganon lang po yung mga Chinese. I mean, yung mga audience, nakaganyan lang po. Nanonood. Kasi, syempre, kumakain po sila.
Parang, syempre, pinaghirapan po namin yun, pero para sa kanila, ano lang kami.
Right.
Hindi nila iniintindi kasi performer lang naman yung mga yun. Parang ganun yung tingin sa amin.
Pero iniyakan nyo yun.
Right.
Yung po nila alam.
Meron pa po isa nakakatawa pang story po. Meron pa po kami isang event na yung umpisa po, kami muna yung magsaserve sa kanila ng food.
Oh.
Nakaguantes kami, nakasuit. Sa hotel din po, pagpasok nila, kami magsaserve ng food. Welcome ma'am, welcome sir. Tapos kami
Soler ba?
Soler,
Or-
kami magsaserve. Tapos pag tumunog yung
Oh
music,
my
tanggalin yung
gosh.
glass, bunot ka ng mic.
That is so funny.
Despacito.
Honestly, that's iconic though. Like that is iconic as
Crazy.
fuck. That is so iconic.
Oh my gosh.
Po kayo sa stage, may mga ganun po kaming ano.
Pero alam mo kasi naniniwala ko, lahat ng pinagdadaanan natin sa buhay is a preparation dun sa talagang pupuntahan
True.
natin. So kahit gaano ka hirap, kahit gaano ka sakit, kahit minsan ngayon nakakatawa na lang pag iniisip natin, no? Do you think that was important na napagdaanan nyo yun bilang isang group?
100%.
Surely.
Sobra.
Surely.
Kasi po yung confidence din po namin ngayon,
Kapal na naman
Oh,
pa eh.
wala na eh.
Justin.
Parang hindi na po kami, kahit yung mga pag inaasar kami, hindi na po kami tinatablan eh. Dati po, pag may event kami, magkakaram kami, kailangan namin pumunta ng Divisoria, bibili po kami ng mga boots, yung boots na pang
construction
worker. Para lang po pare-parehas kami ng itsura.
Right.
Kahit po hindi
Gosh.
talaga siya ganun
Pansay.
ka-presentable.
Right.
Nadayain na namin, pepentelan yung yung
Makamura,
mga
dilaw.
mga dilaw, ganun. Para, kunwari, oy, mukhang maganda.
So sa Divisoria kayo
May
dati
pagtalo
bumibili
pa.
ng baso.
Sama-sama
Hindi
kami.
po sa Divisoria, nagmi-mix and match po kami ng mga damit
Damit
na
na
meron.
meron.
kami.
Gamit
Gamit po
Right.
actually. Usually po before.
Dati po kasi siya yung pinakamaraming damit.
Ano lang, yung damit ko yan.
Oh my gosh. They're
So
all
di ba
close.
maraming time na nagsisimula kayo, naiiyak kayo sa hirap, sa pagod, sa frustration. Pero nung unti-unti nyo nang naaabot tong success, may time ba na naiyak kayo as a group dahil nakita nyo yung bunga ng paghihirap nyo? O yung time na yun na parang,
Actually, lagi po kami naiiyak eh. Kahit po nung first release po namin ng kanta na hindi naman po talaga sumikat. Umiyak po talaga kami. Parang inabangan namin na lumabas siya sa Spotify, ganyan. Paglabas, maluha-luha po talaga kami. Kasi parang parang sabi na, artist na kami, nandun yung kanta namin, nasa platform na, parang yung 3 years na pinaghirapan namin na mag-training. Parang,
I feel like that's so important, you know, like, even when, you know, things aren't really taking off, like finding the places where you can celebrate and the things you can be thankful for. Like, they're right, it is a huge step to have your song out on a music platform for the first time. Like, even if it's not, you know, getting a lot of, you know, views or, you know, getting the numbers that you would hope that it would get. Like, finding the places where you can be like, no, like, I worked hard and I can appreciate this and, like, celebrate it. Like, I think that's really important, and I think that's part of the reason that they were able to, you know, keep going, even though it, you know, there were a lot of, you know, negative things, and it was really disheartening. And even, like, not having, it sounds like, a ton of support from their families being like, are you sure, like, you want to do this? Like, you know, that they were able to find that for themselves, I think speaks a lot to the kind of people that they are and why they're having the success that they have.
Parang,
Period.
A step forward na artist na kami, ito na yung simula. Parang tuloy-tuloy na natin to. Kahit hindi tayo makilala ng tao, at least nakapaglabas na tayo, magtiwala lang tayo. At dadating yung time na makikilala rin tayo ng mga tao.
saan nyo dream mag-perform naman?
Marami. Kami malibot yung Pinas kasi po hindi namin natapos yung concert po namin. Dapat
Philippine tour nyo?
Opo. 4 lang po napuntahan namin. Dapat 10.
Right, that cut it short.
Unfair naman po sa iba na parang yung iba na magbigyan.
Tsaka may Araneta
Because of
pa kayo.
COVID, surely.
Was
Yeah.
Grabe
it?
pala yun, no?
Surely.
Sakong
Yeah.
lockdown.
What else would it be?
I thought it was
What else is it?
I thought it was the I think there was another tour that they were supposed to go on when the onesie like name thing was happening.
Not ringing a bell, but they said they canceled
I
an
think
entire.
it was later. I think it
yeah.
was.
Right.
Araneta naman tayo ng Wish.
Wish.
Yun po yung isang pinakamasayang experience kasi po
Nag-perform kayo sa Wish.
opo kasi
Dami
pag
artist.
nung nagte-train po kami lahat po yung mga
Pag
kanta
tag,
po nila
right.
pinapakinggan namin pag nag-stretching kami ganun like Ben and Ben madami po halos
J-Ro.
lahat tapos po nung parang pag nakikita namin sila in person parang
Namamangha.
Oo. Artist na pala parang
So ano yung feeling nung una kayo nag-perform sa Araneta Coliseum?
gigil po kami parang yun po yung time na parang kailangan patunayan natin na magaling tayo kasi artist nung nanonood sa atin
Right.
parang normal niya audience baka pupunahin
Yeah.
Yun din po yung first na biggest awards night na pinuntahan namin. Yung Wish na.
parang
Yun
3
talaga.
awards ata na panalo.
Tapos 3 awards po yung panalunan namin.
And they won a
Galing,
lot
no?
this year.
Parang pag binabalikan natin yung mga humble beginnings nyo, nakaka-inspire. Nakaka-inspire na ipagpatuloy yung mga pangarap, ang panghinaan ng loob. Kasi kung nakaya nyo, kakayanin din ng mga nanonood sa atin. Kasi
Agree.
parang yung pinagdaanan nyo against all odds eh.
May mga times nga po naisip ako dati, malas ba ako? Ganun. As in, literal tinatanong ko sa sarili ko, malas ba talaga?
Retweet.
Kasi parang
Same.
puro talo.
Ako, mula bata po.
Yeah,
ako
your
sa
family
pagtanda,
would say
feeling
that
ko,
all the time.
Wala
Mhm.
po akong success na natamo. Nung dito lang, nung medyo pinopursue ko yung passion ko, doon ko lang na talaga na, hindi naman pala ako malas. Ganun.
Huwag mag-give up. So you can go up. Parang gusto ko makarinig ng sample bago tayo.
Oh.
5, 6,
7.
Tanging pag-asa ko'y biglang naglaho. Ngunit pag-ibig ko'y di nawala.
What song is this? Do we?
Wow.
Is this a random song or a song that we? Oh no! Do we not know this song?
Oh no.
Pag-ibig ko'y di nawala.
At kahit pa ang mundo
Oh no!
iba, ako'y laging nandiri
Oh my God. Okay, they're locked in now. The beginning was a little shaky, but Ken started it so strong. And then of course Stel just never is. Oh my God, it's disgusting what he can do. Oh my. Don't worry, girls. Hanggang sa huli is coming. That RB is coming soon. Don't you worry. Of course it is. Hanggang sa huli. Okay, that is next up. Oh my God, yes. That was
really
30 minutes?
That's crazy.
What the hell?
That's so fast.
That went by so fucking fast. I will say though, one thing I will say is like pretty much everything in this is in the casual chucks. Yeah, seriously. Like I think there are only like one or two things that I learned here. Like this was not so all that is just to say I'm glad that I did put it off for as long as I did because
I mean, props to Chuck for, you know, getting all that info into his stuff as well.
100%. Yeah, no. Yeah, but it's like I'm pretty sure we knew 95% of everything that was said there. Like we knew a lot of that.
It's nice to hear them talk about
it. It is like
see their like little.
I obviously I only say that because maybe there weren't a lot of reactions, maybe there weren't a lot of things that we said in this video, but we did know a lot of it. But yeah, like you said, it is nice to hear it. It's nice to get another perspective. It's nice to hear it from themselves as well, which is another reason why I'm really excited to watch the Pug to Tug documentary as well, because I think we'll also get, I mean, again, I think we will know a lot of that stuff going into it, but I do think that there will be certain things, again, just hearing it from them or hearing it in that context,
talk about
it will, you know what I'm saying? So I'm very, very excited.
I also like seeing like the other members' reactions to what like some of the other members are saying. Like if like Ken is talking about something, like watching how like Stel or Pablo or any of them react, you know what I mean? Like,
yeah, I think like even what I will say is, again, it's the reason why they have blown up. It's the reason why they are so famous and so well known and so good at what they do is because they're honest. They're just true tea. Like they're talking about Ken getting scammed and they're all laughing about it. They're talking about, you know, things like, you know, someone being very violent, telling Pablo that they wanted to shoot him because it's annoying. They're all laughing at that, right? Because again, they're all friends and they've been together through those times, the hard times together, and it sucked then, and they're like laughing, and you know, it's funny now, right? It's funny to them now looking back on it.
I'm sure that they all talked about that.
Oh, 100%.
It's probably a tough thing that they all had to overcome together.
Right. One big thing that honestly that stuck with me and that was new that I learned about them. How about you start? You start with what's one thing
I'm afraid
that
I'm gonna steal yours. But the fact that they all would like sit together and hold hands.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say too. Yeah,
like that's.
I mean, it's so goated. It's so good. Honestly, it's just like, it's like this forced human connection, but like we're humans, so it's like when we connect like that, we evolve, we grow deeper together, and honestly, like, it's good.
When you're in a team like this, that's like such a small group and so close knit, and you're working together every single day, your success is dependent on these other people. You need that connection. You need that level of trust in order to, you know, continue to move forward and all grow together, and you need to be open with each other. And I mean, we've always commended their teamwork and abilities, and I think that is completely the reason why.
Truth, tea, all of it. I loved this. This was great. Tony, the only note that I have is the real jobs. Tony, the real jobs. That was crazy. That was crazy work, Tony. But thank you guys so much. Thank you so much to everybody. All my chatties, let's say bye, YouTubies. Thank you guys to everybody who was watching. Thank you guys to all my chatties who are here that will show up after the delay. I promise you they will. Thank you guys to all of our YouTube membies and our Patreonies. Thank you guys so much for supporting us and allowing us to do this. We are living our dreams, and we are so happy and we are so thankful for each and every one of you. Thank you guys to everybody. We love you guys so much, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye, YouTubies.
So I just got out here, boy.